Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like content, subscribe and make way. Help grow the platform to be lovely, you know, see it. Now we want to take a brief look into, I have a video I want to show, because the Prime Minister said, the Zozo stop the crime and violence. But we want to take a brief look into a little notion here. So, seeing, it's a great mind discusses idea. Average mind discusses events. Small mind discusses people. See? Now, I want to know how the great mind feel when the small mind discuss it. You know? The average mind will just only discuss events. See? And there is no solution, no farmer, no what we are going to do. It's like, so well then, the small mind and the average mind will facilitate, mishaps, so that's have something for discuss. See, while the great man find a solution to all of these things and move it forward in the interest of everybody or the interest of betterment. See, so that's why I could keep a great mind. I try be, keep the minds as great as possible. Pick up yourself, Mark Springer. Seeing, because, no matter what go on, there's always a solution for corruption. See, and we always dig them up and try to find them. See. So the Prime Minister say the Zozo is responsible for the break in crime and violence. While me and I myself and a lot of other people, most people believe is because of the World Cup. See, one of the reasons why I believe is because of the World Cup is because the simple fact say it's not the first Zozo this dropped. In fact, at the last Zozo, out of the probably hundreds of Zozos were dropped. See it, and crime and violence was never eased. It never eased. It never seems to be any form of deterrent from the criminal them, because police and soldiers are one place or another corner. They all the man them don't walk around there. When the man them fire for them gun, police and soldiers take a while before them go there, because the man them a fire is like, so well then the gun them when the man them a fire. Unorthodox, like a them make them. See it. And this is the reality. See it. Now, you see, you have man on the street where observe, man we in the street where observe. I not talk gunman and criminal and thing like that. You have other common regular people there too where observe and have the same opinion. See, it might not mean much, but we have to observe them things because, if certain things not work, it just not work. See, I believe is football, and we are further, we are play the youth opinion, and then we further give ours regarding the thing. See.
I be a young shooter watch football now, so you see football I play, see all I shoot to them, a match time for them, you see it.
Sports an agent of unity. The 2022 FIFA World Cup competition has seen communities rallying behind their favorite teams, with Brazil receiving the most support. Their first victory in the competition thus far saw to no crime being recorded across the island. Citizens are crediting sports for playing a major role in the fight against crime.
Yeah, man, I be a young shooter watch football now, so you see football I play, see all I shoot to them, a match time for them, you see it. I remember look about like me I do crime, you see it.
After the match done, it leave back the youth them just scatter again. So if you continue on a basis, it can't just today and next week and then po. No. You have to have it in the head, like a school.
Meanwhile, other sports are being acknowledged for doing same, as citizens say they stimulate coordination, teamwork, and focus the players' energy towards a positive goal.
Encourage the youth them in football. All them garrison area, whole heap of good footballer in them. All my son are good baller.
Now, the youth say, yeah, hear what I'm saying. You know, see, yeah, and I need to repeat what I'm saying. But why can't our politicians them instigate a solution, plan something where we maintain the peace and quiet, you know, see, rather than I try promote this this so thing like say, you know, as a freak of nature for all the while when them try it, this time it'll work. What new you add to it, why that be so significant this time? You see, we know nothing new, no imagination, no put into it or no. Nothing strange, nothing new. You see, why can't we, these guys, observe, say, social programs? You see, why can't you admit, say, certain things we're going to cost you a little bit of money, we're going to detract from the thieving, the corruption we're not going with. See, if we focus some more money in some other area. Because all you do, you know, is withdraw money from other ministries and put it to national security. And they're not share up that between themselves. Because another, like I say, it's not like gonna buy the police and the soldier them the new equipment and the new gears or nothing whatsoever for go into this Zozo thing. See, crime and violence is a very significant development. As something we need some true imagination and some you know, yeah, some new gesture. You can't expect so well then the same thing will work. You're delusional when you tell yourself that over and over, them things don't work. You see, the police and soldier them station one place and the youth them there everywhere else. We see it happen before. You see, we make focus some funding in a social program, start a social scheme, a social ministry, you know, plug up some football, use some equipment, bulldozer backhoe and push down some area, some land, and make up some football field. Start some little ghetto football league. You know, see, intermingle the warring faction them. See, the prize is, you know what I say, substantial and promotional for the groups that we play football. We see it all the while. You know, see, get a youth try them little thing there all the while when they keep your little six-a-side skimmage or them little sort of thing there. You know, see it, and it calm down things. See, round robin dance and them little thing there where a man knows if he have to go over that area, they have go take in a man dance because he want the man come back, come take in film dance. These are the things, calm down things. Because a man knows, the same man them we are war, knows so well then watch ya. We don't want to continue to do this and destroy the opportunity for make a bread. You see, and everybody encourage it. Because at the end of the day, the regular people who don't play football, who might not even go dance, enjoy the lull in a crime and violence. You know, this reinforces my belief, say, these guys enjoy when crime and violence go on. The other day, I sit and listen out a post where I ask the youth them for cool down and calm off of the crime and violence. And a glorified security guard what the newspaper call security advisor or something like that, come out and I say, what Tamile I say, nah go have no push, no pull, nobody not recognize it because Tamile is not popular enough. You understand what I say? The little pastor, when him say it means something to the youth that will stand up on the sidewalk or might have passed the church or might be somewhere far and hear it through the speaker. You understand? Him say it with meaning. You know, see, the teacher, when the teacher say it, it means something to the youth that were in the class. It's all hands on deck. You know, see, some guy come with some little argument like say, all these things are new. And in addressing these things, I try to change the trajectory of where certain things are go. The strategy is new. It's one way about it, one way it always work. Why everybody are some little people feel like say it's gonna fail if people get involved and say what them I say. I mean, Vybz Kartel is a lot more popular than Tommy Lee, but who next? A Tommy Lee would have said next. You know, see it? Yeah, why wouldn't, so we have some people in the society who benefit from them things. Them own the dead house, them have certain links in the brokerage, them where them can get in things on the island. This is one terrible barrel of corruption. And a lot of people out there in the corporate world are benefit from it. Sick, twisted mentality. You know, see, and them thing there, that's how we have to try initiate the thing from up at the head of the stream. So that's the youth them can feel like so well then them, something worthwhile is happening. We see it happen over and over. We are part of we come from the whole thing too. So, we more than likely have an idea of what going on and can, ask for a solution, Rasta. That's how the thing go. You know, see it? Yeah. A desperate situation when you check it out, and better can be done. And some very young youth that them lose them life and things like that. And obviously need them youth to come be some player in the society later on, regardless of the skill where them a play upon. The young youth is the future. We can't sit back and watch them dead off, or some old man where them days done, them good have all sort of all manner of ailment. And still in them wicked, sick, twisted nature. Because, them not feel like say, them ready for pass and not for them time for pass like a people put them in a position where them there. So these guys influence and enjoy watching the youth them dead off like that. You see it? It need to apply some imagination towards the thing. So that's, you see a level of progress. You see some form of change, Rasta. You see, and that way I demand. You have some legal gunman out there who enjoy the opportunity to kill off the future and feel like say this is the way forward because again there is no consequence for them actions. You see, but we know say sickness that a lot of these guys have some serious mental dysfunction, and there is no way how you can check out these little things and point them out and put some boy up on the sideline, let them know so no, you don't qualify for the job. An argument and things like principles like these. You see, it's like a free for all. See? Them things we are talking about. The youth them very young and them are full, a lot of them full of potential. They are full of potential anyway. There was no deterrent. There was no opportunity. Little or no hopes for them youth here. Most of the hopes where the youth them see is through the same so-called Dan them and era leaders and gang boss and them type of people. You see, how can these people, my brethren don't agree with the fact so well and music is very influential. But it is in a Jamaica case because, again, The youth them not have anything to look forward to. You see, you can say for the youth them uptown, we can go home to them PlayStation. You see, we have them parents and depend upon them have certain level of expectation from them, and the onus of failure is on them because the support is there, the structure is there. You see, and the again failure is non-existent because at the end of the day again the support system is there. If the school now work, them hire a private tutor and things like that. See, there's no stress, no pressure. Like when upon the ghetto youth, the mother come home every day and I tell him, say, so hard me for work, for buy you this, to buy you that, you better come turn out for be something. And it's added pressure. Other than where I come from the classroom, peer pressure, and all of them sort of thing there. Nobody no factor in them sort of thing there in the equation. You see, everything is just the ghetto youth fault and a film fault. The man them who's supposed to be professional crime fighter, them are some of the most brutal people in the society. And them act like so well then it's a birthright. Them act like so well then them supposed to be that way. Like them not being criminal, worse a criminal than even the criminal themselves. You know, regardless of how, you know, wicked the youth them is. It's not Jamaica alone you have youth who are going like that. You know, see, I did them breaking a Raheem Sterling house in England, yeah? Burglary. See, granted the police catch them now go murder them in them bed on the street side or anything like that. If it was Jamaica, something like that happen, the police them, when them find out, if them find out who do a crime like that, dead people them there. Whether them arm, yes or no. Whether them put up a challenge, yes or no. You know, see, we're a business where the naysayers want to say, you know. We are trying to make you know, say, other people they are observe and have different expectation and hopes for the youths and for the future. You know, see, and we not bend, we not bow, because we know what is right. And with every breath we left in our body, we are use it and fight. And try to make we get pray. When we get more ammunition, yeah, this is how it is. When we get more ammunition for fight, we're going to fight. And when I say ammunition, you know, someone construe my argument like a weapons of war I talk about. Because this is how caged and limited of a scope, a thinker you all are. So I talk the naysayer them. You know, see it? Yeah. But how can this be? Oh, yeah, our boss say, criminal do this and a criminal do that and a owner create them. You know, see it. We can't look on it no other way. We can't look on it no other way. See? Face the fact. If the youth them say a football a deter the crime and violence, let's address it from there, sir. You know? We could start some little bush league. The prime minister of the country can afford that. You know, all them not back, even the Premier League and them sort of league that we play at Jamaica, make it more, you know, financially viable. So that's the youth them see it as, you know, look how much millions that a dollar missing out of how many ministries yearly, daily go unaccounted for. And you know white collar boy I get charged them thing there. See, where is the example for the ghetto youth them follow after? You know? How them all follow up and be patriotic when even the authority is not being patriotic by, you know, balancing the thing. So that's everybody sees a way. This is not a one-sided thing. Only ghetto youth are the crime and criminality, while the people them we are disenfranchise them, cause them contribute heavily for them to be in that wayward. It's not being punished, not even being questioned, not even being called into question, not even being accused. Factor that in. You see, you know, how is this even workable? How is this even acceptable? You know, we have this level of small mind thinking the way we think about ourselves as well. We value ourselves. We undervalue ourselves. We don't see ourselves as being relevant part of the society. We see ourselves as being what they say we are. You know, see? And they are who they say they are. You understand me? Jamaican people don't even know them constitutional rights. Jamaican people don't even know so them can take the government to court for certain little, you know, misappropriation. You know? Them don't even know that. No. Challenge my logics. Don't challenge me easy shirt. Kanye West. Where buy it from? You know, I saw them thing I said where you just look like say you come off of the site. Challenge the logics. Yes, I. Yes, I. So the thing said Rasta. You know, see, I give thanks. Rastafari.